What is up, guys? Anything is possible with this $17 possible bag. Make sure you subscribe. The deer I'll be taking with Flintlock, I'm donating that to a local food bank. Also, once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm donating $1 for every subscriber that I have every single year. So as it goes up every year, you guys can help me by subscribing. Donate more money for my local food bank in addition to me donating meat. Please subscribe. Only takes a second of your time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. This is what my possibles bag entails. This is just for hunting. This will be everything that I need, and that's just how I want it. Light, I don't want to be fumbling around here, and there's different compartments. I'll show you how to organize it the way that makes sense for me, especially if you need to take a follow-up shot with a flintlock, all the time it takes to load it, and you don't want to mix that up. So I got these speed loaders here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I got my patch, my ball, everything, and notice there's two different compartments. So if I were to dump this out to load it, I don't have to worry about the powder being behind here. Like if you had just a regular one, only has one compartment. This I'm just putting in some extra 4F in case I need to refill this. This should be plenty, but I just want to have some extra. So this being two compartments, what I like about this is when you put this on a barrel, and it's tight enough that it's not going to fall out, but if you tap this on the barrel, it'll actually come out in the barrel, and the patch will already be in there, and the ball, you tap it on the barrel, so it'll be just like this. The speed loader has a ball starter as well, so you can get that started a little bit to be quick. I still do have another ball starter. That's an inch. A traditional one is, about 8 inches or so. But if you got to make a follow-up shot, every second counts. This is more than adequate. You drop your ball, all right? Now your patch, you want to just right at the end, so line it up so it's good to go. You take your ball starter, and boom, there you go. So I'll be taking two of those. I have my 4F in here. That's how I prime the pan. If I have to refill that up for whatever reason, I have another one. This is a big spout. You're gonna, probably pour some out, but it's fine. I just organize this. I want as little as possible, so I don't have to fumble around through a bunch of unnecessary things that I don't need. I always clip my tools right here on the outside of the bag, and then a screwdriver in case I have to replace the flint on the go. I carry my extra flints with me, a cleaning jag in case I want to clean in between my shot if I have the time, my cleaning patches, and my alcohol wipes, and this is it. This is all you need. You know how stressful it can be, hunting deer. You just want as little as possible. And now I'm going to show you how to organize it. Then I just do this in order of importance. To me, reloading or a malfunction. So I have my pick to clean out my touch hole, a pan, brush to clean it out, and to prime it. This is on the side, so when I wear this will be right here. Just unclip it and I can start cleaning everything. And I'm going to work my way in. This is a smaller pocket, right? I'm worried about reloading. This is what I'm doing. I'm putting my speed loaders in that front pocket. Next thing is if I need supplies. Let's say I need to clean out my pan, so I have my alcohol wipes. Stick it in this pocket. If I need to clean in between shots, I have my patches there and my cleaning jag that I might need. my extra 4F in case I have to refill this for whatever reason. I don't want it up here at my speed loaders. I don't want to put 4F in there and not have any powder. So I stick this back here out of the way. Out of sight, out of mind. And chances are if I'm getting to back here, you know, I don't have the time for follow-up shots, so timing is not as important. I also put my flints in that pocket. My screwdriver to change the flints back here in another compartment. And this was only $17, guys. This is absolutely perfect. It's light. See, I got plenty of space in here. I actually put like all my loading stuff, like my shot bag, my ticking patches, my flask of powder. This holds everything you need for shooting. I'm just slimming it down. Also, I put my ball starter right here on the molly webbing. So as I have this on, this will be on my left hand side. When I need a follow-up shot, that's all I gotta do. Unzip this, grab my speed loader, take this off, dump the powder in there, flip this off, tap it on a barrel, patch and the ball's already there. Get this started, right? Discard this. I can take my ramrod and just ram it down. So if I have the time, I have my bigger ball starter right here. Same thing, as a quick malfunction, I got my tools clipped right to the outside. This will be any and everything that you need for flintlock hunting. And this is maybe a half a pound. That is it. You can carry more speed loaders if you like. I think this is fun, and you have plenty of room. You know, if you want to stick a handgun in here, it's pretty big. I'd still recommend putting like a little Kydex holster or something there if you want. You know, you can fit whatever. 3 different compartments. You can see there's another little pocket here, so when you're fumbling around. Another pocket there. You know, if there's something like a range rod, you can put your tools in here. You can do whatever you want. This has a texture, so it actually like stick to you. It won't move around too much. Being clips. This is my Traditions Trapper pistol, just in case anybody's crazy as me, and if you're wondering, will a flintlock pistol fit in this bag? Yes, but I don't like the way that it fits. It's still very loose. You could probably put a little Velcro strap here and on the trigger guard, and hold it in if you want. I just think it's going to be awkward rubbing against you. I didn't think about that until I got it. So I got this. This was fun. I can hit the broadside of a barn with it. I just thought, you know, I have to make a follow-up shot and finish off a deer or something, or I was hoping it was going to be a little bit more accurate. And you know, one came in, you know, 25 yards. I would have took it with this. Yeah, I got a fanny pack. I might just tuck this in with it as well. So if you watch my other videos, you know that I'm going to be donating this flintlock deer, my freezer's full, to a local food bank. I'm also, in addition to, for giving back, for every subscriber, once I reach 1,000 subscribers, there's 409 of you so far. I made 2 videos today. I'm going to be donating $1 to my local food bank, in addition to a deer and a hog every year. So if I have 1,000 subscribers, I donate $1,000. 1,020 subscribers, I donate $1,020. And that's something I look forward to doing too. Hope you guys can help me out and subscribe. I appreciate it. If you like my content, I enjoy making film. I have a bunch of hobbies, so I just filmed them. I like to share what I learn. I think knowledge is the best gift that you can give everybody. See, I do reviews on motorcycles, traveling, hunting gear, guns, motorcycle parts. I have hunting videos. As you can see, that's pretty cool. I enjoy doing that. Being able to share the great outdoors with everyone else. It's cool, and I thank you for all my subscribers I currently have now, and for future ones. Thank you.